that the greatest source of protein is a hog. Well, in nature, the more you drink, the more you eat, the better it is for you. Well, in the other world, the inorganic world where you're going to eat a dead animal, you eat that hog, get protein from it, and see how long you will live.
I have a question.
Close to it.
Thank you. Thank you. Um, Dr. Sebi, I've been to your shop just to see you and to explain something to you. I've been in this country from 1969, and in 1971, when Mahalia Jackson died, I struggled with my nerves. I got a nervous breakdown. They sent me and the private ward on Sunderland, so I worked there for 2 weeks. And after that, they've been giving me a lot of different medicine, like Proxil, diaphragm, like, you all had to see with me.
That's okay, don't worry about it. You take your time. You don't have to remember all of them.
All right,
they give
sir.
you all these medicines.
All right. I live there. I've been to Cuba to see different doctors. When I've been there and they give me the medicine over there, it blocked me out. I don't know myself. I've been back in Nassau. I've been to the higher doctors, bone doctors, and different higher doctors because I want to get well. And I'm also a child of God. I believe in God, and I know that God is a healer. Now and then, my head still hurts. Although I take in the medicine, if I got a problems, I cannot take problems. If I get a problems,
No tolerance.
yes, sir. You know, I had to sit quietly. I cannot make any arguments with anyone. It caused my head to hurt. So I had to be quiet by myself. I've been to your shop a couple times. I got the seaweed, but the first time I put the seaweed to my mouth, all my stomach comes out and water run in my eyes. So it smells bad. Yeah, it smells bad and it stink.
She's right.
And,
She's right.
And I cannot take that. You know, Dr. Sebi, I didn't say it's not good because everybody tell me it's very good.
But you cannot.
I cannot
Smell.
take that
Yes.
smell. But the other things than what I get from your shop, they helps me a lot. But I want to see you in person because my veins them moves sometimes in the night. I cannot sleep. I have hot water bag to put on them with the same rub I got from your shop. And different things because the doctor eat out all my money.
It's okay. That's okay.
And I don't get any.
That's okay.
But, you know, I trust in God, and God helped me a lot.
Well, I'm going to help. I'm going to try to help you, definitely.
Yes, sir.
I'm going to give Jamal. Jamal will remember you. And I'm going to give him something to give you. Because there is something in the bowels that need to come out that has to be out that she's holding. Because I could look at your hair. You know where your hair is receding? Sure.
No, my hair, I dye my hair. I'm 70. I'm 70-year-old by 1941. So don't look on my hair.
You could be my girlfriend. Because I'm 78.
Yes.
I could be your boyfriend.
Yes.
Look at that.
It's the grace of God who keeping me here.
Of course.
Yes,
Of course,
sir.
all of us.
And when I drive my car, doctor give me a handicap sticker for my car. And when I go in the food store, I cannot walk in there for 10 minutes. I get a lot of pain. You know, I used to travel a lot, go to London, different places. I cannot go anymore. I just have to sit into my house.
That's okay. I'm going to tell Jamal how he should prepare the sea moss for you. There is a way. Because I know what you're saying. When I first was introduced to sea moss, look, I put that stuff aside in the refrigerator. I didn't want to hear about it. Because it smelled bad, it tastes bad. But then I found a way. I found a way to add some hemp seed milk. Hemp seed milk with some vanilla and a little bit of cinnamon. And girl, you're going to love it. She's going to love it.
Already.
So, yes, don't worry about it. I'm going to tell Jamal, and I'm going to prepare something special for your bowel that I like your dress, you know.
Thank you.
I've been looking at your dress. But there's something in your bowel that needs to come out. And I will work with Jamal and you. Don't worry about it.
My name is Hazel Penn.
You know her? Okay.
When can I come up to the shop?
Well, I'm going to tell Jamal this evening. I'm going to talk to him.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, doctor.
Thank you very much. Yes, thank you so very much.